合豐橡膠集團咧係萌芽於1976年，嗰陣時嘅工廠咧仲喺香港嘅，工人加埋總數咧都唔夠10個人。當年咧我係抱住一個理想，我希望能夠建立一間現代化嘅工廠，以有先進嘅生產設備，提高生產效率，又要有自己嘅實驗室啦，可以自己研發配方同埋做產品測試嚟確保產品嘅質量。由於做精密橡膠零件咧，對模具嘅要求咧係非常之重要，所以咧我係更加希望係有自己嘅模具部，能夠設計同埋製造模具，咁我哋就可以提供更高效率嘅服務俾我哋嘅客戶啦。喺10年之後咧，合豐嘅生產搬咗上國內喺深圳設廠咧，呢啲願望就逐漸咁實現咗啦。
合豐橡膠多年嚟不斷創新求變，超越自我，開拓更多商機，例如醫療產品、汽車配件、嬰兒用品，走進各行各業。
Under the severe competition of globalization, quality is the key to enterprise success. We are proud to tell you, every Hợp colleague understands this. From frontline workers to top management, we dedicate to quality in every step, every day.
我哋不斷創新，設計合適嘅夾具輔助生產，優化工藝，務求提高生產效率。
We have a team of engineer hours with prominent R&D ability plus many years of manufacturing experience. We provide professional advice to our clients to develop new products. When we make the molds, when we design rubber formulations, we always focus on the needs of our clients.
With years of pragmatic practice in serving our prestigious clients, Hợp Rubber has gained a solid reputation amongst our business partners. Our experience and profession in the industry led us to reach the global market with a major accomplishment.
合豐橡膠集團提倡嘅係高度信任文化，由操作員與組長之間，或至上至部門主管同領導部門之間，各人都對自己嘅工作係負責，做到人人自律自重。
员工是公司宝贵的财产，一套人性化的企业管理是公司的关键，公司也尽量发展他们的机会，对他们一个非常好的发展空間，創造更好的條件，給他們盡展所能。我們相信員工的歸屬感來自於他們對工作的滿足。
今日嘅合豐喺生產營運方面咧，都係積極咁同世界接軌。我哋着重推行3R 管理系統，係包括重複使用 reuse、循環再用 recycle 同埋減少用量 reduce， 致力使合豐橡膠集團成為一間綠色環保企業。